I have some new everyday carry items to share with you, including mini notebooks and pens, a super portable pocket tripod, my favorite way to listen to music on the go, and a really cool handheld gaming system. First up is a brand new case and tripod from Moft. This is not a sponsored video, but Moft did send me these to try out, and I gotta say, I'm really loving both of them so far. Right now, you're looking at their Snap Invisible Phone Tripod Stand. And this little stand uses a magnet to connect to a phone case. Then you can open up the tripod and use it for things like filming videos, jumping on FaceTime, even watching Netflix. It's extremely portable, coming in at 0.02 inches in thickness and 2 inches in diameter. Also, it weighs just 0.09 ounces. It's super durable and made with Moft's Movas vegan leather, which has a really premium feel to it. Moft also sent me the Snap case for my iPhone, and this thing is a huge upgrade from my old Heyday case from Target. The white and clear case is beautiful, especially with the blue of my phone peeking through. Moft says this case has been tested with the equivalent of a full year of UV exposure to ensure that it won't yellow over time, so it will continue to look really nice and radiant, which is a huge bonus. Also, the case has a 5-foot drop protection, which is great for someone like me who is constantly dropping their phone. And as you can see, the case has a magnet, so it's really easy to attach to a tripod or a wallet. The magnet on this case is actually 2 times stronger than what you will find on a normal phone case, and this will ensure that whatever is connected to it will stay securely in place. If you like this thing as much as I do, be sure to head over to moft.us and use my discount code OTL10 for 10% off your next purchase. The Snap case retails for $39.99, and the tripod comes in at $39.99 as well. It's so thin and convenient to just throw on the back of your phone or in your everyday carry bag. It's also a really great stand to use on a flight. You can just prop your phone up on the tray table in front of you and watch your media. Next up is the Taito Super Pocket from Evercade, and this thing is a blast. As you might have seen in my previous video, I've been on the hunt for a new handheld gaming system. This one is really unique in that it features 18 retro arcade-style games, including Space Invaders, Rastan, and Bubble Bobble. Evercade also makes this same style of Super Pocket in a Capcom edition, which includes games like Street Fighter II and Mega Man. Also, when you get tired of those games, there's a place in the back of the unit for new cartridges. Evercade has a ton of different ones you can buy for just $20. I think they have just over 500 games in their collection now, so there's games for every type of gamer. I also recently heard that they're coming out with new types of cartridges called Giga cartridges, and those will include games from N64 and PlayStation, including a recently announced Tomb Raider collection that I cannot wait to buy. So let's turn this thing on and take a look. The screen is really good for how affordable this system is. It retails for just $59.99. The build quality is also great. It feels really durable in your hands. There are these really nice responsive buttons on the back and the front as well. And in the back here, you can also see where those cartridges that I mentioned earlier go. You can also just throw this in your bag and not worry about it getting destroyed, because while it is small, it is very sturdy. So here is a quick look at all of the games included on the Taito edition of the Super Pocket. The game that I've been obsessed with recently is Bubble Puzzle. This game is pretty much like Snood, if you remember that game. I played that one a lot growing up. It is super addictive, and I've been enjoying playing this on the bus or the subway when I'm going into work in the morning or coming home at night. There are also a number of other really fun games that I've never played before, like this side-scroller called Rasten. Anyway, this thing is super fun and super affordable, and I could not recommend it more. Next up on the list is the 4th generation iPod Shuffle. I've been using this a lot recently at the gym since it's so tiny and convenient for working out. Like all Apple products, the build quality is fantastic. I love the simple design of this device, and honestly, I miss Apple having dedicated music players in their lineup. Another thing I wanted to bring up in this video is that I started an Out in the Lights Spotify account so I can share monthly playlists. I get a lot of great feedback about the music that I use in my videos, so I decided to create playlists with the same kind of vibe. So look for a link in the description to follow me over there. I really like using wired headphones, and as you can see with the Shuffle, you just plug them right in. It also has this great clip on the back to easily attach to your clothes. It's such an underrated music player, and I'm happy to continue to use it. If you want to go old school like me, you can find one of these on eBay for around $40 or $50 these days. And lastly, I recently picked up some new mini notebooks and pens when I went to Target the other day. These are from the brand Moleskine, and they're from the Volant collection. They come in at just 2.5 inches by 4 1/4 inches, so they are pretty tiny. These are intended for to-do lists or packing lists in my case, and the pages are detachable so you can recycle them when you're done with checking everything off the list. They have the same high quality that you know and love from Moleskine, and they retail for just $6.99 for 2 of these. I also picked up these really cool pens from Altitude. These things can also double as a stylus if you want to use it with your iPad or phone on the go. I really like the quality of these, and the price is right at just $5 for 3 of them. Also, I'm really loving the color palette here with the notebooks and pens. So that's going to be it for this video. What kind of things are in your everyday carry bag? Be sure to comment below.